Lesson 9, page 127. And I will begin working on, after reading the definitions and looking at what we're doing, begin working on page 131. Select New Diagram from the file and choose Structure Chart. Maximize the workspace by clicking on the Maximize button on the top right corner of the window. Set zoom level to 66%. Add the symbols to the diagram as shown in figure 9.2. Select Save from the file menu in the diagram menu structure. Okay, that matches figure 9.2. Now we're adding an invocation line to a structure chart. Click the first line type and position the cursor over the bottom line of the module Process License Applicant. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag the line to the top of the module Validate Applicant Eligibility. You can see a picture of this on page 136, figure 9.3. So we're drawing it from Process License Applicant to the top of Validate Applicant Eligibility. Release the mouse within the symbol. It ends the line. Line termination is drawn. Open the diagram menu. Note that the lines menu is checked. If you were to click lines, you would return to selection mode. The same type of action works for getting out of the caption text modes. For symbol mode, you must click the selected symbol in the submenu. You should still be in line adding mode. Click on an empty space in the diagram so that the line you drew is no longer selected. If you don't deselect the line, making changes in line setting affects the selected line, not a future line as you want to do in this case. Select Line Settings from the Options menu. Select Decision as the terminator type and click OK. Draw an invocation line from Process License Applicant to Reject Ineligible Applicant. The line has a conditional terminator at the starting point of the line. Click the left mouse button on the conditional terminator of the invocation you just drew and draw a line from Process Line Applicant to Update Applicant List. The conditional terminator of the new invocation can be overlaid on top of the previous one so that they appear as one binary choice. This is established as another conditional invocation relationship. It means that under certain circumstances, either Reject Ineligible Applicant is invoked or Update Applicant List is invoked. In this case, the circumstances depend upon whether or not the applicant is valid. Deselect the line. Select Line Settings from the Options menu. Select the line type to be Data Connection and the terminator to be single arrow. Click OK. Draw a line between Update Applicant List and the Data Only Module Applicant List. Deselect the line. In Line Settings, Select the line type to be loop and click OK. You want to end up with the loop line like that shown at the bottom of the module Process License Applicant in Figure 9.3, which is on page 136. Place your cursor on the edge of the module near the lower left corner. Click and drag through the line so that its endpoint is at the lower right edge of the symbol and double-click to complete the line. While the line is still selected, notice its handles. You can drag these around to change the shape and size of the loop. I'm going to attempt this. May or may not work. Double click to complete the arrow. Save. What am I naming this? Give me just a second. I think we're calling it menu structure. For now, we'll call it menu structure. And we'll see if we have to change that later. Okay, deselect the line, which we've done. Select line settings from the options menu. Oh, wrong one, sorry. Select the line type to be data couple, and then click OK. Click on either end of the invocation line between Process License Applicant and Validate Applicant Eligibility. This selects the line. Click on the start point of that line. A data couple is drawn pointing in the direction the data is passed. By clicking at the start of the invocation line, you indicated that the data couple is passed from Process License Applicant and follows the direction of the invocation line. Name the couple Applicant Name and click OK. Now that you know how to enter diagram objects using the diagram menu, you continue doing it the easy way using the toolbar menu. Click on the couple with a filled circle, the last line button. This is a control couple. You may have to click on the gripper to drag more of the diagram toolbar into view. While it is still selected, click on the endpoint of the same invocation line where it meets Validate Applicant Eligibility. Name the new control couple Applicant Valid and click OK. Click on the second to the last line button, the data couple. Click on one end of the invocation line between Process License Applicant and Update Applicant List. This selects the line. Click on the endpoint of that line where the terminator is attached to Update Applicant List. Name the data couple Applicant Information. Look at Figure 9.3. If the couple you just drew is facing the wrong direction, which it is, it's easy to fix. To select the couple you just drew, press Escape to activate selection mode. and click on the couple with the right mouse. Choose Change Item from the Object menu. Click the Invert Couple box and then click OK. The couple and its label move to the other side of the invocation. Draw the other couples as shown in Figure 9.3. When you're drawing these, you have to pay attention to what type you're drawing. So we are drawing data couples from update applicant list to applicant list, and from process license applicant to applicant name. I think that's a data couple, right? That is called applicant information. We have that one there, and then we need applicant name here. And that's going the wrong direction. Invert. And now we're good. That completes Lesson 9. You just need to clean it up a little bit.